just added the Roland Juno to my arsenal of equipment, and we definitely got some things to talk about. Who is this Roland Juno really for? Let's get into it. All right, so I recently just purchased the Rolling Juno D 61 key. Everything I'm about to tell y'all in this video is strictly my opinion. A couple pros, a lot of cons, you know, but it just depends on like how you're using it. I use MPC in controller mode more than I use it in standalone mode. I'm in my home studio making beats, so that way I'm able to use Atmosphere, Contact, Electra, Gladiator, all my VSTs with fabric. Stem separation works better in controller mode than it do in standalone mode. I don't know why, but it does. I chose to roll with the Roland Juno because, to be honest with you, I thought that it had more sounds. I was using the little 25 key as a MIDI controller for years. I'm like, well, let me just go and get this. I can use it as a MIDI controller and I can use the sounds in it as well. So I'm like, it got 3,800 sounds, and I'm like, bruh, I mean, it gotta be more shit for me to use, right? More sounds, 3,800, there's no fucking way that it doesn't have some shit I can use. I'm going through the sounds, bruh. I have every sound inside the Rolling Juno. And it's for you, if you already got fabric, if you already got Contact, this is definitely not for you. Do not get the Rolling Juno. You got Contact libraries with all that stuff, don't even worry about getting the Rolling Juno. If you are a standalone user, then I can definitely see you using the Rolling Juno. I find myself not even using the sounds in it at all. I basically use it as a MIDI controller, 61 key MIDI controller. This was probably a mistake that I made, and thinking I was gonna gain something. I didn't gain anything. It made my studio look better. But who is the Roland Juno for, man? It's for that standalone guy. Honestly, like, cause I could have just bought a 61 key MIDI controller and done the same thing. I think for this Roland here, I spent about 800 bucks for it. You see what I'm saying? It's 800 bucks. Like, why would you go and spend that type of money? Go get some plugins, bro. Go get some sounds. Go buy some drum kits. Buy some more Contact library. Buy some Electra expansions, Gladiator expansions. You know what I'm saying? MPC expansions. So let them standalone guys have it, man. We're gonna keep rocking under the dog. We're gonna get us a MIDI controller and we're gonna keep rocking out. If you ain't subscribed, make sure you subscribe to the channel. We don't expect everybody to like everything we do. It takes you more time to hate than it will to show love. If I run across a video I don't like, I just swipe and we out.